Hi, my name is Adelie with Mountain Sus Ranches, and today we're going to be talking about what to do if there's a power outage on your land. Winter in Utah can be beautiful, but it can also bring heavy snow, strong winds, and sudden power outages. And if you live on or visit rural properties, a winter outage can go from inconvenient to dangerous really fast. Today we're breaking down exactly how to prepare so you can stay warm, safe, and confident all winter. Let's start with step number 1. Build an emergency reliable power kit. In rural areas, outages can last much longer, so plan for several days without electricity. Your kit should include flashlights or lanterns, extra batteries, and portable power banks. Add candles, matches, and a safe place to store them. Keep a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio for important updates and news. And don't forget first aid supplies, medications, blankets, and shelf-stable foods. Store everything in one easy-to-reach spot so that you're not scrambling in the dark. Next up, keep your backup heat source ready. When the power goes out, many heating systems go out with it. A wood stove, pellet stove, or indoor-safe propane heater can make a huge difference. Stock up on firewood, pellets, or propane before storms hit. Add heavy blankets, sleeping bags, and layered clothing to help retain heat. It also helps to insulate your windows and your doors ahead of time to keep warmth inside longer. Step 3. Protect your water supply. Fill containers ahead of time and store extra bottled water from drinking and cooking. Insulate exposed pipes and open cabinets so warm air can circulate around plumbing. If temperatures crash, shut off the main power line to prevent frozen pipes. Now let's talk about protecting your food and appliances. Keep the fridge and freezer closed as much as possible to prevent cold air from blowing out. Use coolers with ice packs for anything that you need to access often. Store plenty of canned goods and dry foods, and unplug sensitive electronics to avoid power surge damage, especially when electricity returns. Consider investing in a backup generator. It doesn't have to power your whole house, just the essentials like heat and light. Always run generators outdoors, store fuel safely, and test them before the winter starts hitting. Finally, prepare your property ahead of time. Insulate doors and windows, clear pathways, and secure outdoor equipment that might freeze. Keep extra firewood and propane in a safe, dry place, and make sure that your phone stays charged. With a little preparation, even long, rural outages become manageable. So stay safe, stay warm, and be ready before winter storms arrive. Here's a quick recap to remember your checklist. Build a solid emergency power kit. Have a safe backup heat source ready. Protect your water supply and your pipes. Safeguard food and unplug sensitive appliances. Consider a generator for essential power. And prep your property before the snow hits. Thanks for watching. Stay prepared and stay warm this winter.